Hello everybody, welcome to Crafter's Story. Welcome to my channel. It's Celeste here. I'm making paperclip clusters today. I made a whole bunch of these a while ago, and I must have made I don't know, 30, something silly, a lot of them, but I've run out. I've got only a few left, and so I thought it's time to start making some of my paperclip clusters again. Try and say that 5 times fast. Paperclip clusters. So I've come out with a couple of goodies that I pulled from my stash, and I have some fabric here, just a little bit of linen. This is tea bags. I've just cut little rectangles and put some gold around the edges. At the dollar store, I picked up a little bag. I think it was a little 100-piece puzzle, and I have colored in this side with gold. These came in a Christmas cracker that I had last year. They're kind of cute. Scrap pieces of paper. This is from a dictionary book page. This was a collage I did some time back. I just punched out these holes and put some gold on the edges. Anybody who might recognize one of these, I think this was a coffee stained doodle book edges that we did, page edges, some ribbon, some more fabric, some silk faux flowers, just anything that you can come up with, and I've kind of laid them out. So this is the collection that I'm using. I'm going to put this aside because I've already kind of put together a few cluster ideas. And as I bring them out, I'm going to glue them together, and then you'll see I'll probably do about 5, and you'll see how they turn out. There we go, guys. It's all done. I've got 5 of them done, and I have enough, I think, in my little collection stash over here to make it. I've got 6 more rounds. I can at least make 6 more with the round base. So I'm going to go and do that because I need to replenish my stash. And honestly, I think it's a big improvement from these little guys that I made probably 2 years ago, I think. But so I am going to go and play and make a few more. Please always remember our Facebook. We have the Facebook group. I've made it private. It's now a private group. So I unfortunately had some people trying to come and sell some very weird things like houses and weird things on our group. And so I just had to make the decision to make it private so that it stays just a craft idea page on Facebook. So please join us. The link is below. And if you decide to make any of these paperclip clusters, come and share your designs if you're comfortable doing that. Okay, you guys, we'll see you next time. Thank you for visiting. Bye.